What's up, guys? Welcome to Vikings Pocket Pencil. Today it's a part 2. And it's part 2. Yeah, we're gonna motor put it up. And put the motor in. Let's go start it. Now you take it in the motors. Wow, there was in this for this. I'll leave it as it is. And I'm putting the motors back in. And put hang on. Put on. No, hang. Alright, here we are in the motors. Back up. And it's on and all. Now poking into the works. Let's go start it. Oh, anyways, it is. Motorless works. Are you there in the models? Oops. Oh my gosh. You mean the model fixing the tape, and now it's in one website anyway. To put it in. In the models and fixing and relaxing. Oh,
takes to fool this star. I'll do it till the sun goes down and all for the night down. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Get my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time. I put my armor on, so you want some of my I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a virgin with no brakes. I'm invincible, and I win every single day. I'm so powerful, I don't need batteries today. I'm so confident, yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. This is not a sing along, but ladies, are you with me? I know that you.
Alright, look at all clean. Yep, it's all clean. And over here. Yep. Easy and filters. There he is. This is all clean. Yep. Okay. Yep, all clean. Yep, no more stickers in it. You have to buy a new one. Alright. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. Thanks.